Hey guys, how are you all doing? So it's time for, I think it's day 19 of our Binance and MXC update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go straight over to those accounts to see if we can work out exactly what we're up to now, because it's just not as easy as it used to be with this DOS that I haven't transferred yet over to my my new Bitmax, not hit BTC, Bitmax account. So we'll just work out what this is worth first. So we've got 12,980, we'll call it 85 DOS tokens, and they are worth, I'm going to transfer them over. I keep meaning to transfer them over to here to sell them, but the price just keeps rallying, so we'll just call it 0.067, 0.068. Yeah, we'll call it that. So times 0.068, that gives us $882. So now I will work out what that is in BTC, in US, in BTC. So 883 USD to BTC is 0.078 Bitcoin. So right, we can add that on first. So 0.078 Bitcoin, and then our MXC account is we'll just refresh this. Once this refreshes, it will tell you it's been quite slow, MXC. I wonder if that's a good sign that lots of people are trading the alts. So this is going to be plus 0. You're going to show me 269. So that gives us back up at 3.47, which is good, because I think that's roughly what we got to before. And then if we add that to our Binance, which is now sitting at we'll call this 0.684. So plus 0.684, and we've got more than one. We have got more than one. So basically we're back just above break even, just into profit, which is good, because we did take a bit of a beating, obviously with all the alts getting hit. But I mean, as we stand, we've got Bitcoin at mid 11Ks, and we are back in profit, even though we've been solely in alts. So I'm actually quite pleased about that, because obviously we'd gone up a bit and then we were down, obviously with the alts getting hit, and now we're up with BTC being up as well, which is the dream. That is the dream, guys. That is the goal. So yeah, pleased about that. So some good trading overall, I would say. Let's just find my screen again. Here we go. So yeah, let me just check we've got the sound correct as well. Yeah. So so we had a couple of moves today. So I've done a couple of trades. One of them was I sold my MCO because we had this massive pump. So yeah, sold MCO, and I actually put most of that into Lend. So because Lend's another token that I quite like, and if we go and have a look to see how Lend is doing, RV Lend, here it is. Yeah, you can see it's pretty much had a move up. It's not been as weak as others. Others have been smashed down, but yeah, I think we're sitting at a nice level where I believe we could push above these highs and start making a move to the upside with a lot of the other altcoins. So yeah, put that into Lend rather than leaving that in MCO. And other than that, we've got quite a bit in Tether at the moment, because the bots have been working away, doing their thing. If we go over to the 3commas account, you can see, yeah, the total profit from the bots has, I'll just refresh this, I'm pretty sure it's roughly, yeah, it's going to be the same. Yeah, so the bots are scalping away at the profit, scalping away extra little bits of profit for us, so that's building up nicely. We have got Ren has been making a bit of a move, so actually it's hitting our second safety order here as well. So that's 10%, moved 10% since it took its first sum of the profit, and then the other two are basically there or thereabouts with current trades. But if we go and have a look at Ren, what is Ren doing? Ren is a token that I definitely like, that I have been talking about. Yeah, here's Ren. Yeah, as you can see, making a very nice move, very nice move. This is a similar sort of move that I'm kind of expecting to see from Lend as well. So yeah, you can kind of see we sort of consolidated, moved down a bit, and now look to be making progress back up towards the upside, and then bang, then we get the move. So if you kind of see, it's quite similar to what I believe we're looking at here, and then so hopefully we're looking for a bang and get us up to about, well, get us up to plus basically up to 0.4 area would be nice, and then onwards and upwards. So yeah, I mean, that's it really. Quick Binance update, back in the profit, BTC higher, so obviously our USD value is way higher, which is good to see. A lot of the profits are coming in from MXC though. Funnily enough, Binance is still down. Binance itself, as in the altcoins we've been trading on Binance, well, we started off with 0.75, didn't we? So we're quite a bit down. So we have been relying on the MXC coins. And in all fairness, in my main trading accounts, that this is where a lot of my capital is. Most of my capital is trading these MXC alts. So yeah, I've been hammering them around myself as well, separate to this account. Maybe that's why this account is doing better, because I'm just more on the ball with these ones, and I'm sort of leaving these to the bots. But yeah, so obviously because I'm doing the trades that I'm doing in my account, I then mirror a lot of them in this account. So this account's probably performing a bit better. I should have probably, well, I say I should have divided the capital even more 50-50, but in all fairness, I just had all the capital in here and just called it the MXC challenge. But hey, you live and learn, don't you? So a couple of other coins making some nice moves, most notably this one, which is one of my favorite coins. You can see, look at that for a nice move up. I've been buying this for a while. I was buying them around these levels, 5, 6s. And I actually, on Sunday evening, I was like, right, I've got to buy more of this EWT. We look like we're breaking out. So I bought a load more at 8. And then yeah, woke up basically this morning to the pump. So yeah, got some orders to take some of this off around 13 and 16, but like literally like less than half my position. But yeah, it'd be nice to get up there this week, wouldn't it? Of course it'd be nice, but we'll see what happens anyway. But yeah, that's obviously, this is on the liquid exchange. This is not on part of this challenge or anything. So yeah, so there we go, guys. So remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Hopefully we can push onwards and upwards now with these alts and get back on track to making our 2 Bitcoin when Bitcoin will probably be 20k. So that'll be good. But anyway, yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, yeah, not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys with our Bitcoin evening wrap later on.